Good morning, I'm Joe Androulis with AMX and I'm here at Integrated Systems Europe in Amsterdam. It's a bit chilly outside, but things are red hot here at the AMX booth. Let me give you a quick virtual tour for those of you who can't make it. So beginning as you enter the booth, you approach our Madero X touch panel station. The Madero X is our brand new line of touch panels that totally redefine the touch panel experience. They come in a variety of form factors, including this unique panoramic design, available both in a 19 and a 20-inch version. This is the 19-inch version, and these new panels support a variety of advanced features. They have a capacitive touch overlay, which supports multi-touch. These are actually the largest capacitive touch overlay screens available in the world of any type. Other unique features includes a high-definition camera for local video conferencing, Bluetooth connectivity for equipping keyboards, mice, as well as headsets, and near-field communications for a variety of new security options. Brand new experience. If you've been dying to get your hands on one, I've got great news for you. They are just begun shipping today. The backlog on these demand for these has been very, very high, so we're already seeing a backlog, so get your orders in quickly. Let's take a look at some of the other versions. We have both the desktop mounted versions, as you see here. This is the 19-inch. The 20-inch, somewhat larger, gives you a very, very large surface area to work with. And both of these form factors are also available in wall mount options. Unique in this wall mount form factors is you can either mount them in portrait or landscape style. And in the landscape style, they're wonderful for putting outside of conference rooms because you can include scheduling and other sorts of information about what's going in the conference room. But at the same time, when the rooms are not in use, you could use it for digital signage purposes. Very, very unique experience. Very exciting that these are now shipping today. Here we are at the DVX station. The DVX is our brand new all-in-one presentation switcher. The idea of the presentation switcher is to give you all the components necessary to fully automate a conference room in one convenient 3RU unit. So within this single unit, we have a 10x4 matrix switcher that supports a variety of different formats, as well as a full-up amplifier and a controller. So all the capabilities you would normally need to automate a conference room in one single unit. The switcher supports both multi-format inputs as well as HDMI inputs, including support for HDCP transport. This unit features our Instigate Pro capability for handling HDCP protected content without concerns about switching delays associated with key synchronization or key limitations. The other unique features of these is it also supports Smart Scale. And Smart Scale is our capability for integrating scaling directly into the switcher to ensure that your video outputs are always displayed at a resolution that is maximized for your display's capabilities. At ISE, we are happy to announce that we are introducing 7 new variants of the DVX. Let's take a look at those. Adding to the DVX 3150 line, we've also introduced a smaller unit, the DVX 2150. The 2150 is identical to the 3150, except that it includes a smaller switcher and a smaller controller for smaller conference rooms. Both of the variant platforms come in additional options for supporting 8-ohm speaker amplifiers or 7100 volt amplifiers, as well as the capability to support local HDMI inputs and now DX-Link inputs. DX-Link is our technology for delivering video into and out of the unit using standard category cable at up to 100-meter lengths. So with the DVX family, we can support all your installations in small conference rooms through large conference rooms and small auditoriums in one product family. All of this capability is available in a standard 3U unit. Our next stop on our tour is the Enova Dgx station. The Enova Dgx digital media switcher is AMX's solution for delivering media throughout your enterprise from a centralized unit. The digital media switcher comes in 2 configurations, a 32x32 and a 16x16 configuration. You can outfit either chassis with a variety of boards to support the type of media inputs and outputs needed in your organization. We support DVI inputs, HDMI inputs, and outputs, as well as distance inputs using our AMX's technology, DX Link, for using standard category table to introduce media into your system. DX Link also supports the distribution of control signals as well as Ethernet all over that same single category cable. The unit uniquely features a AMX controller integrated right into the unit, as well as smart scale technology on every output to ensure all your media is scaled to the exact requirements of every display, so that no display receives inferior signals or signal displays. Finally, the unit also supports Instigate Pro, AMX's technology for distributing HDCP protected content without concerns for key constraints or switching delays. And next on our tour is the Hydroport Connectivity Solution Station. Hydroport is AMX's answer for making connections to source devices as well as making power easily available right inside of the table in an attractive fashion. It's a modular system so that you can introduce the modules necessary to support the source devices and other resources that are available in your room. The Hydroport connectivity solution family comes in a variety of different forms. First off is our flush-mounted unit, which has a tilt top to hide the modules when they're not in use. This unit comes in a variety of different sizes to support different numbers of modules, from a large, medium, and small unit. At the other end of the spectrum is the grommet family, which is an attractive alternative to simple holes in the table where only one or two wires need to be pulled through. And finally, we have a pop-up unit, which, like the flush mount unit, is modular and supports the full range of connectivity solutions. You can put modules both on the front and the back. It pops up so that when the units are necessary, they're easily accessed, but when they're not in use, the entire unit hides in the table, maintaining the attractiveness of your conference room. Let's take a look at our digital media product line. In our digital media product line, we include Vision 2 for IP-delivered television and video. And around the back, we're exhibiting our digital signage solutions. Our digital signage come in two variants, Inspired Express for simple installations and Inspired Expert for the highest quality video for retail applications and similar. And finally on our tour, we wind up at the AMX Unity Station. The idea behind the Unity Station is to show how AMX products can be used in conjunction with the building management system to create an overall managed building structure. With AMX control products and RMS monitoring, we can not only tie into the building management system, we also support room scheduling, energy management, and asset management to ensure that your facility is operated in the most efficient and effective manner possible. Thanks for coming with us through our virtual tour of the AMX booth. We hope to see you at ISE. If you can't make it to ISE, you can visit us on our website and take a look at the electronic version of the most recent product guide, as well as a brand new showcase that demonstrates some of the most exciting installations throughout the world. Thanks again.